He is exalted, the King is exalted.
This is He is Exalted in the key of C. This is a really beautiful one to just chord along and simplified it for you, so have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video, and if you click on the description below, I will have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. All right, so I have kind of tried to strip it down to the basics, like I said, but there are some chords that are a little bit more complex than normal, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it. You can do hard things, all right? So let's take a look at C, F, G. Then they have an A minor, D minor, and E minor, and B flat. All right, let's do it. All right, so C chord is found by looking for a group of 2 black notes here, and the C is right there. So line up all your fingers and then just play fingers 1, 3, 5, and that's a C chord. Okay, C, E, G. All right, then let's come down. Let's go up. Okay, we're going to show you the D minor, D, F, A. Okay, and then we have an E minor. Move up 1 set of notes. E, G, B. Okay, then the other ones I'm going to show you down here. Okay, so let's move down to the F, which is located right by the group of 3 black notes. Here is F, F, A, C. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. G, B, D. Okay, move up 1 set of notes and you're in the A minor position. So let's play that. A, C, E. That little A with the little M, okay, A minor. If you move the 3rd finger up a half step, in the verse, in the end, they play an A, okay, A major. A, C sharp, E. And you'll know why when we add in the vocals. It sounds very beautiful with that chord, okay? And then B flat is just tucked in here. It's kind of the most awkward chord to play, but B flat, D, F. Okay, and you can use whatever fingers feel the most comfortable for you. I kind of like to play 1, 2, 5. Okay, that's B flat. So let's review. We have C chord, D minor, E minor. Okay, then we're going to play F, G, A minor, A major, and then B flat. Woo-hoo! A lot of fun chords in there. All right, so let's take a look at the left hand. I try to find a place that I can kind of leave this hand set the whole song and not have to move it around. So when I play chords in my right hand, I'm going to play single notes down here just to keep it even more simple for you. So C to C. When we play that D, I'm just going to open my thumb up. Okay. When we play the E minor in our right hand, I'm going to just open my thumb up 1 more note there. E to E. Okay, I wouldn't move your hand, otherwise you get your hand out of position and you kind of lose where you're at. But if this doesn't feel comfortable for you, try to find a different position that feels better for you, okay? F chord to F in the bass, G to G, A minor to A minor, or A in the bass, I should say, A major, you still camp out in this A, and then our B flat, you just pick up this black note with this B flat D F there, okay? And that's it, okay? All right, so let's talk about the rhythm that's going to bring the 2 hands together. This song is written with kind of like this 6/8 time signature rhythm where it's kind of like this swing. Da 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 da. Okay, so it's going to work well with the rhythm I call 1-to-2 ratio, or together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So let's add in some vocals here. He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. I will praise him. Okay, so it's just kind of da 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 da. So I'm going to add in verse 1 vocals so you can now see it on the keyboard. He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. I will praise him. He is exalted, forever exalted, and I will praise his name. Okay, so So I have a few exceptions to my rule. Sometimes I just block chord through them. So I just go, I will praise him. See, I just did da, da, da. And then that last line, I just block through all F, G, F, G, A as we're kind of building that climax of the song. I will praise his name. And you can continue that rhythm at the end of that verse. That's how I do it, but that doesn't mean it's the only way to do it, okay? So let's slow it down, and you'll see I wrote the chord above the word or syllable in which that next chord should change. So take note of that. Okay, so let's start out with C chord there.
He is exalted, the King is exalted on
F chord.
high.
And this is where I block.
I will praise him.
Okay, C again.
He is exalted, forever exalted, and
F. And I'm just going to block through these ones.
I will praise his
This is that A major.
name.
Okay, and that moves us into that D minor chorus. Here we go. I just open my thumb here.
He is the Lord.
Okay, notice I'm still block chording through some of these chords just because I think it sounds better to just kind of let the vocals lead on this. So we're going to go D minor,
He
A minor,
is the
G, and then we're going to carry out that tune or that rhythm.
Lord for
C,
ever is
E minor. Notice we swung open here in our left hand.
truth shall reign.
F.
Reign.
Okay. D minor,
F
A minor,
and earth.
C chord,
Rejoicing is holy.
F,
Name.
C there. Okay, open up to your D minor,
He is exalted.
B flat,
The King is exalted on
C chord.
high.
Okay, let's talk about patterns a bit, and that'll help kind of simplify your music a little bit. In the chorus, you'll notice lines 1 and 3 are D minor, A minor, G. Okay, lines 2 and 4 are C, E minor, F, C. So there is some repetition in there. Once you kind of go through, maybe just right hand chords only, just kind of go,
He is the Lord, forever his truth shall reign.
you know, just go through the chords all by themselves in your right hand, then do the left hand together, or do the left hand separate if you need to, and then bring the two hands together. All right, so I'm going to play it beginning to end and sing along with me as you just jump in this, kind of overcome some fears. If this one's a hard one for you, you can do it. I believe in you. Baby steps and you'll get there. Here you go.
He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. I will praise him. He is exalted, forever exalted, and I will praise his name. He is the Lord, forever his truth shall reign. Heaven and earth rejoice in his holy name. He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. He is exalted, the King is exalted on high. I will praise him. He is exalted, forever exalted, and I will praise his name. He is the Lord, is exalted on high. I will praise